How to reset Citizens Bank password. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to reset your Citizens Bank password. So if you're having trouble logging into your account to your Citizens Bank, this is how you can reset it. Go to your web browser and search for Citizens Bank login. Click on the first link that you see or go to citizensbank.com. You could also do this on your mobile app if you have forgotten your password on the mobile app. Now just tap on the login button at the top right corner, select the type of account you want to have, and then tap on login. Once you get to the login portal, you will get different fields to enter your user ID as well as your password. Now in this case, what I will do is scroll down and then go to trouble logging in or password change button. And if you tap on it here, you'll be asked to enter a few of your details. So you could just select I forgot my password and want to change it. Click on next. In this option, select your account, tap on next again. Then you're going to have to provide your full social security number or your tax ID number, then your date of birth. Tap on next, and then you're going to have an option to create a new password. Make sure you use a mix of letters, symbols, and alphabets to create a strong password. And then you can use the new login credential to simply log into your account. That is basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.